Hello everyone, good morning. Today morning I wake up and look outside and I thought I have to share this environment with you guys. This is the falling season, so you are able to see that fall is on earth and again rain and cloudy environment. This is how the environment looks outside. So please guys, like, share, subscribe my channel and support me so that I can share everything with you. And this is what today's environment looks like. Such a beautiful environment. You guys can also join me and let's explore with me about camera. You can able to see that how clouds look. It's too cloudy. It's raining here outside. The color of trees are also changed, and as the falling season, fall is on earth. Bye bye. Please subscribe.